The mid-weight adventure segment has witnessed fierce competition, but the 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp e-clutch establishes a new benchmark for versatility, accessible performance, and everyday usability. Combining a lightweight chassis with an energetic parallel twin engine, this refreshed dual-sport platform elevates the touring experience by eliminating clutch fatigue without sacrificing manual control. Whether navigating dense urban traffic, sweeping across highways, or tackling loose dirt tracks, the Transalp delivers an extraordinarily smooth ride that caters seamlessly to both seasoned adventure riders and daily commuters. Long-distance adventure touring places unique demands on both rider and machine, requiring a balance between high-speed highway stability and low-speed off-road agility. The 2026 Transalp addresses this challenge through refined chassis tuning and intelligent aerodynamic design, ensuring riders arrive at their destinations refreshed rather than exhausted. By reducing physical strain through clever engineering, Honda has successfully expanded the operational envelope of the mid-weight dual-sport platform. Moreover, the integration of cutting-edge rider aids without adding unnecessary mechanical complexity demonstrates Honda's thoughtful approach to modern motorcycle development. Instead of replacing the rider's involvement, the bike enhances control, allowing motorcyclists of varying skill levels to tackle challenging terrain with heightened confidence. This commitment to practical innovation cements the XL750's position as a premier choice for riders seeking a single motorcycle capable of handling daily urban commutes and cross-continental journeys alike. Design and ergonomics. Honda updated the Transalp's rally-inspired styling with a dual LED projector headlight setup that echoes the aggressive look of the flagship Africa Twin. Beyond aesthetics, functional aerodynamic improvements redefine long-distance rider comfort. A restyled upper fairing incorporates an eco-friendly Durabio windscreen equipped with a central airflow duct, effectively mitigating helmet buffeting and guiding air smoothly around the rider. Ergonomically, the motorcycle provides an upright, relaxed riding stance paired with a narrow midsection for easy ground reach. Featuring an 850mm standard seat height, complemented by an optional low seat accessory, and a well-balanced curb weight of around 216 kilograms, 476 pounds. The bike stays easily manageable at slow speeds and across unpaved terrain. Features and technology. The crown jewel of the tech package is the Honda e-clutch system. Working alongside throttle-by-wire, this electronic actuator system lets riders start, stop, and execute upshifts or downshifts without pulling the clutch lever. Unlike standard quickshifters, the e-clutch operates seamlessly from a dead stop while allowing full manual lever override at any second. A bright 5-inch TFT color screen serves as the command center, featuring full smartphone integration via Honda RoadSync and controlled through backlit 4-way handlebar switchgear. Riders can toggle between 4 preset riding modes: Sport, Standard, Rain, and Gravel, or customize engine power, engine braking, wheelie control, and traction control parameters within a dedicated user mode. Engine and transmission performance. At the heart of the Transalp lies a punchy 755 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Unicam parallel twin engine, generating a crisp 90.5 horsepower, 67.5 kilowatts, at 9,500 revolutions per minute and 75 newton-meters of torque at 7,250 revolutions per minute. Featuring a 270-degree crankshaft design, the motor offers a pleasing exhaust rumble along with excellent low-end traction and rapid mid-range throttle response. Coupled with the 6-speed transmission, the e-clutch enhances shift speed and fluid acceleration. It eliminates engine stalls during technical low-speed maneuvers or abrupt stops, making gear changes faster and smoother than a traditional manual setup. Handling and suspension. Constructed around a lightweight steel diamond frame, the XL750 feels agile on pavement and predictable off-road. Suspension hardware includes 43mm show a separate function fork big piston, SFFCA. Inverted front forks offering 200mm of travel, matched to a ProLink rear monoshock with 190mm of travel. Honda refined the compression and rebound damping rates for the 2026 model year, striking an ideal balance between firm road compliance and plush bump absorption over harsh ruts. Riding on off-road capable 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, Braking duties are handled efficiently by dual 310mm wave discs with 2-piston radial calipers at the front, supported by a 2-channel ABS system that allows turning off the rear ABS for dirt trails. Fuel consumption. Fuel efficiency remains one of the XL750's major selling points for long-distance touring. The efficient 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin yields an average fuel consumption figure of approximately 4.3 liters per 100 kilometers, roughly 54.7 miles per gallon, under standard riding conditions. Paired with a 16.9-liter, 4.4-gallon fuel tank, riders can expect a practical cruising range exceeding 350 kilometers, 215 miles, between fill-ups. Pros and cons. Pros. Honda e-clutch technology provides effortless, stall-free gear changes without losing full manual lever operation. Strong, rev-happy 755 cubic centimeters engine delivers class-leading power and an engaging exhaust note. Upgraded, fully adjustable Showa suspension absorbs rough terrain while keeping high-speed cornering composed. Excellent aerodynamic protection and overall long-distance ergonomics. Cons. Spoked wheels still require inner tubes, which can complicate roadside flat repairs. Cruise control is missing from the factory electronic suite. E-clutch hardware adds a minor amount of weight around the right engine case. Price. The 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp e-clutch is positioned competitively within the middleweight adventure motorcycle segment. While base manual variants start near $9,999 in North America, opting for the e-clutch trim brings the expected starting price to approximately $10,799 to $11,200, or around £9,800 to £10,300 depending on regional markets and import taxes. Given the inclusion of advanced electronics, electronic clutch automation, and updated Showa suspension, the Transalp offers unmatched value for money in its class.